Yan na po
My
siya.
whole life has changed.
Sarap.
My father died in front of my eyes.
P is ribeye. Ribeye?
No.
What is it?
Spareribs.
Spareribs. I'm sorry. So we need mustard, ketchup manis, hoisin, sesame oil, cayenne powder, lemon, garlic, and
No.
no time. No. There's no time. No. And also this puree again. Okay, so don't.
This is sugar, no brown sugar.
Oops. And brown sugar. Okay, don't disturb the chef. Otherwise. Olive oil. So let's start, darling. Okay. My love, can you say hi? My guwapo-guwapong chef. Ooh, nice and slick. Ooh. So you need to squeeze the lemon and so he uses the whole lemon. Okay, I'm just going to narrate. What are you going to do? Okay. He's my favorite chef in the world. The best. And all the mixture, put it here. Okay. Then need 2 teaspoons of oyster and hoisin, I'm sorry, and 2 teaspoons of this ketchup manis and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil to mix to this mixture, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Yeah. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of mustard. Oh, it's not teaspoon, it's tablespoon. I'm sorry. It's 2 tablespoon of mustard. Well, it's finished, so it's fine. 1.5 tablespoon. And how many? And 2 tablespoon of tomato puree. And a dash of cayenne powder. Oh, you are the cayenne man now. And how many? So he's using the brown sugar. How you say in Dutch? The brown? Bastard sugar. Bastard sugar. So we're going to transfer that. No, use a new one. How many? 2? Wow, it's dark. That's cane sugar. 2 2 tablespoons. Yes. And give it a mix. So I'm going, oh no, I'm sorry. The chef said, no. You don't need to, my love. You have to, no, like that. Okay. So he said he's the boss here because he's the one cooking. So don't mess up, okay? And I'm gonna help you, okay? To make it easier. So I help him peeling off the garlic. It's teamwork. Right, my love? He's shy. He doesn't want to talk. Come on. Dude. This is our channel. Channel. Ouch! Sakit. Ayoko na. Sakit dito sa ano ko. Yak. Ay, ba yan? Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He said, boop, boop, boop. He said, boop, boop, boop. Can cut it in a slice. Slice it in a thin slice. Okay. I peeled it off for you. I've made it easy for you, darling. Okay. Kikita nyo ba? Ganun. Oh. What is it? Okay. Ganun pala. Cut mo rin siya ng maliit. So, ganun yung technique para galing ang technique nyo. Ganun lang. So, he added the garlic in the mixture and give it a good mix. And voila! Ready! You need the brush, right? Oh my god, the brush is white. Oh. And taste it, darling. How is it? Need salt and pepper. Is it good? Really? And a dash of salt. Pepper, my love. You don't need pepper? Why?
No.
Why you don't need pepper?
Because I don't want to. It has to be a bit sweeter.
Oh, you want a bit sweeter.
Spareribs, not spice up your live Asian cuisine. Sorry, what did you say?
Nothing.
Nothing? No? Why did you want to hit me?
Because you are adorable. Did
I say something wrong?
You are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You are adorable. You are beautiful. You are cute. You are D for dude. A, B, C, D, E. You are excellent. A, B, C, D, E, F. You are F, feisty. You are G, good. F, G. You are A, B, C, D, F. A, B, C, D, F. Nawala na ako. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, that's A, B, C, D, F, G. You want to know H, I, J, my love?
I'm not even paying attention what you say.
I said you are, what's that? Gonna describe you in A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay.
Adorable, beautiful, beautiful, cute, dude, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. My love, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Dude, excellent. G is good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And don't you ask me H-I-J? Ask me what's H-I-J.
I'm quite busy, man.
What is H-I-J? What is H-I-J? What is H-I-J? You ask me.
No, what?
Hi, I'm only joking. Ayaw niya, ewan ko pala sa buhay niya. Ayaw niya yung joke ko, hindi niya nakuha. So now we are going to brush it. What is this? What is that? Are you going to put it here? We have to wash it. Yeah, and just brush. Give it a good brush. Wow, may mga ganun. Tapos brush lang po. Hanggang sa makover lahat ng meat. And then you have to marinate it for how many? Until tomorrow? That's gonna be like 24 hours? Sabi niya, oh, okay. Yun. And ganun lang din po ang gawin niyo dun sa kalahati niya. So, it's back to back. Ganon. Tama, diba? Seryoso sa pagbabrush. Seryoso masyado si Manoy. Manoy. Don't be so serious, okay? But my love.
Nothing, my love. Very annoying, this.
Am I? Am I?
Yes, you are.
No, come on. I'm not. Yan. So, yan na po siya. And then, nilagay namin siya dito. Yan. Ay, nakikita ba? Yan. Okay. Ang pakialamera, bow. Annoying na daw ako. Am I annoying?
Yes.
So, I need to watch this because I'm going to do it next time. I am the chef next time. Yes? Ganun lang po siya kadali. And then, lutuin namin siya bukas. So, we get back to you, to all of you viewers. Wow. And yung final result kasi luluto na namin siya tomorrow. So, after 24 hours, ito na siya. Bam, bam, bam. Hapon na minarinade namin. Okay. And hubby's going to put some sauce in it again and preheated the oven for 200 degrees. How many degrees? 150, I'm sorry. So, again, preheated the oven for 150 degrees. That's my love.
At 180.
1 hour. Okay, again. Go away down. 1 hour at 150 and yeah, that's it. What is it? 1 hour, my love.
Alright, beautiful spare ribs, and we're gonna put them in the oven. First 1 hour at 150, then we're gonna do a little bit marinating again. Then we put them in for 1 hour again, but then on 180 degrees. Then after that hour we're gonna do a nice marination again, and then we're gonna do a half an hour at 180. Then it should be magnificent.
It's gonna be 3 hours.
Amazing! That's 2.5 hours of cooking. It will fall off the bone. So gentle, so nice, with a great flavor. It's all in here. Mmm, lovely. Well, let's open the oven now, viewers?
So you have to cover it in a foil. Ganon. Bago nyo po ilagay sa... It's okay, you can put it here. Bago nyo po ilagay sa oven. And then, yan na po. Lagay na po siya dyan. Ito na po siya. Luto na siya. Yan, yung other half. At ito mo si Habi ng fries. Bake. So, test natin kung gaano siya kalambot, ha? Uy, lambot nga. Wow. Yan siya po. Ayan po siya. Lambot, sarap. Amoy pa lang, masarap na siya. So, I'm gonna try. Ito na siya, mga lambot. Ayan. Lutong-luto na siya. So, kain muna ako. Ang sarap niya, parang restaurant. So, pag try nyo lutuin. Sarap. Yan na po siya.
My life has changed.
Sarap.
My father died in front of my eyes.
Okay.
Bullet went
Bye.
through
Thank
his
you for
heart
watching.
and hid
God bless everyone.